For years and years I rambled, drank for wines and gambled, but one day I thought I'd settle down.
This is a 1948 Singer, model 66, sewing machine. Serial number is AH870126. And as you can see, it's in exceptional condition for being 70 years old. Now it's got a few small scratches and a chip here, but I mean, it's beautiful. It's a beautiful machine. I'm going to show you how to thread her up here. Bring your thread up. Come through your top here. I should put my glasses on so I can see what I'm doing here. Make sure your dog is up. Come around the front here into your spring through your feed dog, or through your discs. I always like to hold them here and make sure that I am all the way in the discs. Now on this there's a hole here, and it makes you think that you'll want to go through that, but you don't. You come down through here, and then you come up here, through that hole here, then you come down here, hold it here, so it'll clip in, and down around here, so you can clip in there, and then through your needle, which is always the fun part for me. I can't see. And down through your foot and back. Now at this particular time I've already got the bobbin pulled up, so I won't need to do that. We're going to see how she sews. Got a paper towel here. I've got the controller up here on the table, so I'm using my finger on it. Set my needle down. We'll go around once more. As you can see, I'm not a seamstress. There's your bottom thread and your top. I forgot to mention this machine also has reverse. I didn't take time to set the stitches here, but I could have. That's set real low. We'll go back. We'll go back, try it about 10 stitches. I think that was on about the lowest, about 6 or so, 5 maybe. That's at about 10. I backed her up there. She does a nice job. I have the tension set right now. It's at about 3.5. It's dialed in pretty good, so you shouldn't have to move it too far either way, depending on what fabrics you're using. This is pretty thin now, but I believe if you were doing denim right now, you'd be just as well off. This is the line we just did. I don't know how well the camera's going to pick those threads up, but they're really nice. They're beautiful threads. Not bad for an old gal. Like I said, she's 70 years old. Man, she's really beautiful. I've got the hand controller sitting up here using my hand on it instead of my foot, but try to get you a little better view of her. That's a beautiful machine. And she runs like a top. She's fully serviced. All the adjustments have been made. She's been fully oiled up everywhere. Belt adjusted. I replaced the wiring on the foot control. Not that the wiring was so bad, it was just so short it barely reached the ground, so I put a new piece on a little longer. This is original wiring here. I've inspected it all the way down, and it's in good shape. The light and motor wires are in good shape. The light does work. I forgot to turn it on. But there she is. She's a beautiful machine. Has reverse from about 5 to 30 stitches. Very nice little machine.